Watch out! Ah!
Take that!
This way!
You can't escape!
He's right! We gotta fight! Hiya!
Rah! You're wasting your energy!
Ouch!
Give up!
Roomy! No! Let go of her! Roomy, get up! I'm coming!
Leave us alone! I'm right behind you! Come on, let's hide here!
I'll lock the door! I think we're safe now. Yep. He's gone.
This place is a dump.
These gentlemen will fix that.
We'll get to work!
Thanks, fellas! Told ya, they're fast! Glow up in progress!
Only one room left, miss! Almost done!
Wow, it's like brand new! That was money well spent.
Let's decorate our corners of the room! I'll go with ocean blue.
Obviously, there's no option other than pink for me. I picked purple, just like my hair. And here's my stage. My floor work screams romance. Time to paint the walls. Pet portrait? Done. It's all colorful, like my personality. I need some shelves for my beauty corner. It fits my whole makeup and perfume collection.
Every mermaid needs her underwater garden. Aww, our house looks magical now.
It's a reflection of all of us. And it feels so peaceful and cozy.
Yay!
This calls for a housewarming party.
Step aside. High class has arrived. So cool! Stop staring. Step away from the property. Hey, careful!
Whoa!
Cute little house. I'm buying it. Sold. And I'll just stay. I've got a ton of cardboard rolls. How can I use them? Oh, I know! First, fold them like this. Press the creases real good. Nice! Now let's start drawing. Gotta keep the lines sharp. There, done! Now cut it out. Time to paint. Paint the edges well. Make a few more and paint them too. Bright colors are perfect. Now bend them round again. Flowers done. Love relaxing outside. Beautiful. Just need a fence. Nice. I've got an idea. Hey, can you make feather-like flowers? I think I can come up with something. First, put a skewer on plastic. Draw patterns with hot glue. Keep them close together. Now grab silver dye, paint it, and peel off the extra plastic. Nice. Gimme! Let's see. How cute! Huh? This is unacceptable! Servant! Look at their flowers. I want some too. Got it. These plastic plates should work. Stick them together and paint. Like that. Looks good. Ooh, ma'am, it's ready. Wow, love how the gold goes with pink. Nice. Windows ready. Ooh, how dare she! Servant! Anyone need a repair pro? I need a window cooler than hers. Money's no problem. Ooh, I get it. First, check the size. Then smash out the holes. Done. Now for the mosaic. Add glue. Lots of it. Like that. Wait for it to set. Add the frame. Make sure there's no gaps. Perfect. Now install it. There. Done! Wow, so chic! I like it! Ow! Who threw that at me? Wasn't me! Take my money! Please don't hurt me! I'm watching you! No! Oh! I got the house dirty! Oh, now what? Wait! I can paint the whole house red! I'm so smart! Oh, this'll take forever! Need this lipstick bigger? Come on, grow! It worked! Nice! There! Much better! Like this! Perfect! How to match the house to the dress? Ta-da! Plus, now I can kiss it all I want! Let's see! Mwah! I think I know what to do with this cardboard. First, draw a circle in the center. And shapes like flames. Looks like a sun. Nice! Time to cut. Now give it some color. This yellow is perfect. Add more paint. There! Now paint the rays. They gotta be as bright as the sun. Done! Looks awesome! Best house decor ever! Let's see how the sun shines when I make it rain! Allow me to cover you. Relax, this button makes golden rain. Ma'am, your house is gold now! Ooh! Love this color! Look at that beauty! Wow! Show off! How else can I decorate? Oh, I know! Let's start by drawing patterns like this. Careful, no rushing. Now over to this side. Patterns from roof to floor. Ta-da! Wood effect! Hey, look at that! Wow, that's epic! Really? Thanks! My roof's too plain. Got it! Hello, I need balloons. Whoa! Fast delivery! Come here. Let's tie you to the roof. Perfect! Oops! Maybe I used too much force. Servant, I have an idea. I want a soft roof. Understood. First, add a pillow. Then a blanket. Should work. Done! Wow! I could sleep here forever! Let's toss some seeds on the roof. Grow that greenery. Nature at its best. Is that a rooftop garden? Looks pretty good. Whatever. Ow! Ah! Stop! What the heck? Actually, these cups could be useful. Hi-ya! Nice! Now lay the bottoms like this. And we've got a path. Cool! Ta-da! I'll show them a real path. Just melt some gold. Done! Oh yeah, nothing beats gold. Watch and learn. And here too. What? Ugh! I can make a fancy path too. There, try to top that. Selfie time! Girls, I think we're finally done! Yay! Nice! I love it! Neighbor hugs!
Hey! Thank you! What a welcome! Are you ready for some bedroom makeover challenge?
This is intense. It's my first day.
Just make sure you got my good side.
Okay, that's a little close. Okay, let's meet today's lucky contestants. My name's Mia, and I'm a unicorn. I love all things magical and rainbows. They're just so pretty. My name is Skye, and I'm a mermaid. Actually, I'm a princess. Wow! How interesting! Let's get to know them better! Huh? What's going on? Girls, check this out! Welcome to your new bedroom! Ooh. That's different. Okay. Go! Woo! Touch! Got it! I'll put this right here. This might help. Oh, thank you. I love this shade of blue. Ah, this is more like it. Whoa! Ready, Leo. Guys? Look at this mess. Should we get some medical attention over here? Meh. I have a better idea. Whoa! Hey, this is nice. I know. It's so cozy. Hello? Oh, hey. I'm hungry. I need a snack. No way. The whale did what? What was that? I'm gonna enjoy this. Gimme! Come on. Hand it over. Aw, but they're mine. Fine. That's good. I want more. Come on, share them. Do I have to? I knew this would happen. Here you go. And another one. Can't you get your own candy? Why? I can just have yours. But that's not nice. She's so greedy. That's it. No more. You've had enough. No, I'm still hungry. Please? Aww. Nope. Sorry. There must be something I can do. Hold on. Oh, I have an idea. This wooden basket is what I need. I can use this to get the candy. I won't even need to get out of bed. I'll tie the rope to the handle, just like this. And now I can lower the basket down to Mia. Wait, I need something to hang it from. Aha! The coat hanger. That'll do. It'll act like a pulley system. Down it goes. Steady. Sorry, I'm sleeping. Oh, yeah? Who cares? I have this grabber. Ha! Got it! This is the perfect crime. Oh, that looks good. I'll take that, too. In it goes. That should do it. Ha-ha! It's all mine! I've earned these. I love candy. Huh? Where did my candy go? It's gone! Skye took it all! Well, I asked you to share it. I'm feeling generous. Here you go. That's it? That's all I get? It's still candy. Oh well. I'll still eat it. Oh, it's time for some beauty sleep. That's a good idea. Ooh, so pretty. I love the color of this lipstick. Just a little more. That should do it. I better put some mascara on. Ugh, I hate this part. Last time, my hand slipped and I had to wear an eye patch for a week. Let's see how I look. Huh? Is that me? What did I do wrong? Okay, there's only one thing for it. It's gotta come off. Playing with my unicorns is usually fun. But not today. Oh, I know. Hey, Skye. Huh? What's wrong? Are you okay? Hold on. I think you need this. Ugh, don't you have a prettier mirror? It's the only one I have. Fine. I guess I'll have to make it work. Oh, I know. I can decorate it with shells. Let's get to work. I'll need to place the mirror on a flat surface. Then I can add glue to the frame. And I'll push the shell onto it. I'll arrange the shells around the mirror. This is gonna look great. Almost done. That's the last shell. Wow! It reminds me of home. Ugh. Wow! Can you make one for me? What? Look at me! I'm kinda busy. Ugh. What's the point? Mr. Unicorn is so fluffy and soft. Mia? Can I have a hug too? I suppose so. We've had the best times together. Whoa! You're right! It's so soft! Mia, are you okay? Woohoo! I hope these days never end! You complete me, Mr. Unicorn! I never want to be without you! Wow. What amazing memories. What have you done? I might have hugged him too much. Why? He was so young! It's okay. I'll fix this. I'll start by sketching out the shape of a unicorn's head on some cardboard. Now I'll cut it out. First I'll put glue on the cardboard. Then I'll press the stuffing onto it. Next I'll put the cardboard on this cloth. I'll need a pencil for the next part. I'm gonna draw a slightly different version of the cardboard on the cloth. Now I need to cut it out. I'll flip the cardboard around. Then put more glue onto the back. I'll fold the cloth over onto the glue. Once I've done that, I need to make the mane. This wool is perfect for it. I'll use different colors of wool. Next, I'll cover the back with more cloth. But it's not finished. Every unicorn needs a horn. I'll make a cone shape out of this glitter card. And I'll fill it with stuffing. I'll pinch the end. And stick it to the head. This is quite relaxing. I'll glue the braid along the head. I wish I had eyelashes like this. Makeup will give the unicorn rosy cheeks. What a beautiful unicorn. Look what I've got! Let me have a look. What do you think? It's not Mr. Unicorn. But I do like it. Thanks. Mia? No! No way, Skye! Psst. Mia, you need this bow. Aw, it's so pretty. Maybe if I… No! Hands off! That's rude. This seaweed looks delicious. Yummy! Wow, the sun's so bright. I need to block it out. I have an idea. Maybe I can make a shade. I'll hang these ribbons from this rope. I'm so hungry. Oh! Colorful noodles! Just what I need. It's a little chewy, but it'll do. This'll keep the light out. Huh? I thought there was more. That's so weird. What's going on down there? Huh? Oops. Ugh, I'll need to think of something else. Hang on. I could distract Mia with this. Ooh! A ball! Get back here, ball! I wish I had thought of that earlier. Wow, she really likes that ball. Now's my chance! I need to be quick. This is gonna work. I know. She's still busy. Good. Phew. That was fun. I'm almost finished. This looks good. No. Don't you dare. Aww. At least I still have my ball. Some people. Now I'll be able to get some sleep. This is so peaceful. What a relaxing day. I miss the ocean. Mia, do you miss home too? Yes, all the time. Maybe I can make something that reminds me of home. I need all this wool. And it needs to be colorful. Here goes. It's a rainbow! Mia will love it. Wow! Is that for me? It's perfect! It makes me so happy! I better make something for Skye. I have this little squishy unicorn. I can definitely use this. I need to inject water into the unicorn. Ooh, it's like a pufferfish. It's so cute! Skye, this is for you! I hope you like it! Wow! It reminds me of one of my school friends!